Welcome to this session. Today we will explore the title attribute in images. You have probably heard of alt text, but the title attribute is different. Let's understand what it is, how it works, and whether it impacts SEO. The title attribute is an optional HTML attribute used in an image tag. It provides additional information about the images and usually appears as a tooltip when a user hovers over the image. Here is an example. The alt text describes the image, while the title attribute adds more context that appears as a hover tooltip. The alt tag is essential for SEO and accessibility. The title attribute is optional and mainly enhances user experience. Search engines do not give much weightage to the title attribute compared to alt text. The title attribute can help provide extra details to users, explain clickable images, or add context. For example, on a product image, you might add click to see full details. The title attribute has minimal SEO value. Google focuses on alt text for indexing. However, the title attribute can improve user engagement, which indirectly benefits SEO. If you use the title attribute, keep it short, descriptive, and useful. Don't duplicate your alt text. Use it for tooltips, extra instructions, or interactive hints. Avoid overusing title attributes if they duplicate alt text or clutter your code. They provide no benefit. Also, some mobile devices and screen readers may ignore them. Unlike alt text, the title attribute is not always read by screen readers. So never replace alt text with a title attribute. Always use both properly where needed. To summarize, the title attribute provides extra info as a tooltip. It is optional and not critical for SEO. Use it to enhance user experience but never replace alt text. Thank you for watching. Remember, alt text is essential for SEO and accessibility, while the title attribute is optional for user experience. Use both wisely. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tutorials.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.